For this model year of the vehicle, you will need 2 keys that are already programmed in order to add an additional key. If you only have 1 key, or if you don't have any at all, you will need to use the all keys lost procedure. I have my 2 remotes placed near the gear shifter there. You want to check to make sure the vehicle is recognizing those keys. So if you press the start button, there, it turned on and is ready to start. Alright, for this we will need to remove the emergency key insert from the key. Step outside of the vehicle. In order to access the keyhole, you will need to remove this plastic cover. You're going to need to insert the key, and there's a little hole in the bottom, and you can pop it free. That comes off. Put your key in the cylinder here, and you want to turn the key counterclockwise 5 times. Alright, now the dash says ready for remote 3. Alright, programming slot in this vehicle is located in the center console down here. Place the remote down there like that. Click the start button. And change for ready for remote 4. Now to exit programming mode, we press and hold the button for 12 seconds. Alright, my vehicle turned on. Alright. And the vehicle is locking and unlocking. Now we want to make sure it starts the car. The engine is running.